Alright, let's start by fixing our app. So now we have fixed our toolbar app bar, and now we're gonna fix the remaining. We need to shift this image to a bit to the right. So in your manufacturer item, we're gonna add padding horizontal to become normal. And now we also need to have a fill max width, which is gonna take the whole width of this icon, this layout. So now let's rerun the app and see how it's gonna look like. Alright, so we're getting there, and we can also make the image a bit different. So start shifting it, I think shifted a bit right. Yeah, and maybe lower the manufacturer title width so it comes like in the middle. It's kind of, yeah, I think it's gonna be like 3 and 5. 3 and 5 seems like fair deal. I kind of agree with 3 and 5 here. Alright, so I'll keep it this way, and now we need to modify our serial text field. First, we're gonna make outline text field instead of this one, and for the label, we need to fix the string resource. It will be serial number, and we no longer need this label. And we also need to add padding. Actually, we can add the padding at this field, or maybe let's just add padding here. It's gonna be horizontal, and we want to add double spacing, and we should also fill max size so it comes in the middle, max width I mean. So let's rerun the app and see how it's gonna look like. Alright, actually it's really good, not bad. Alright, that's really good. Now for our and bottom sheet. Alright, now for the bottom sheet we will need to add some kind of modification. For example, now for the camera box, I'll just add a background color, which is gonna be color of material theme. It's gonna be secondary variant. It's just gonna be a gray, so we can have like an indication of how it's gonna look like. Alright, so we want to fill max height of this one, and we also want to contain the full max width. Alright, so let's see. Rerun the app. Alright, amazing. Now for the text, we want to add a padding. I will make a start padding of double spacing and end of double, and we also add like normal spacing in the bottom. So see how it's gonna look like. Right, it's kind of nice. Now we need to change the icon, and first we're gonna make a tilt when it's gonna be unspecified. The color be, yep, the color is now orange. Now we need to make it to align it to the right side. So first I think we can replace this section with peak area, like peak box, and it will be a composable function peak box. So I take a modifier. Now it's gonna be a row and we want to change the modifier to be modifier line. Actually, there is this approach. I'm gonna make like arrangement space between, and we also need to give the modifier. So we run the app right now. We should be the same. Yeah, it is the same, doesn't really. But if we added like an empty box, let's say just an empty box, let's see how it's gonna look like. It doesn't really, maybe because the row has no width unless specified. Yep, now that's really nice. Ignore this. Does it really change? I think not. It doesn't really do it. Yeah, right. So if you have this app as this approach, you can still drag this area, but that's not really what you want. I want only to allow this kind of drag, like using this icon. So one way I'm gonna make non-draggable box, and it's gonna be composable function non-draggable box. We're gonna take a modifier, and then we will make a box modifier fill max width, and in this one we're gonna start implementing non-draggable state. Right, so now we need to add a draggable state. So we will make my draggable, and the state gonna be, remember, draggable state, and I think we should start here. Yep, what's error here? This should be here. We should have like orientation. For some reason we don't have orientation here. It's draggable state, yeah. So yeah, we're gonna make just this one here, and the orientation is in the draggable object. So if we just pass orientation, and it will be vertical, and we do not want to do anything with this draggable box, non-draggable box. Right now, and this is a non-draggable box. So now if we added like background just to kind of visualize it, I'm gonna make it like primary variant. Alright, so now it's gone. The object isn't there, so I have removed the fill max width, maybe because that's the reason. Yep, it was the reason, but now we don't have the color, so I'm not sure reason. The row filling max width. Does it have? Is it different? Is it different if we add like an empty parentheses here? Yeah, I'm not sure what's the problem, because now it doesn't exist. We also should specify height. For example, let's say bottom sheet on peak size or peak height, and we will make it in the core and spacing, and we'll make it like 48 dB. Let's say maybe this is a problem. Right, so now we have our element. So if we just remove that, alright. So there is some kind of problem here. I will search for it and inform you back.